Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking black pepper beef. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to marinate the beef. I'm using chuck tender over here. This is approximately 350 grams. Cut them thinly like this against the grain so that they'll be really tender. We'll need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of soda bicarbonate, this to tenderize the beef, 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. We'll need to add some white pepper also. Mix them up well. I'm also adding in a 1/4 cup of water. Water will add moisture to the beef. So after this is done, we'll let it marinate for approximately 20 to 30 minutes and we'll cook this dish. Heat up a pan of oil. We are going to briefly deep fry the beef in the oil. But before we do that, onto the beef, let's add a little bit of oil so they separate easily when we put it inside and fry it. Check to see whether the oil is hot enough or not. Use a bamboo chopstick, put it in. If you see bubbles coming up, that means it's hot enough already. We will fry the beef now. Briefly deep fry the beef, put everything in, separate them out. We're just doing this for approximately 15 to 20 seconds. And then you will have very smooth tasting beef. Sorry for the noise in the background. The house next to mine is actually doing renovation. Once the beef has turned its color to brownish like this, we'll remove them from oil. Do not overcook them. This is very important. Heat up a pan without any oil. We'll fry the coarse black peppercorn until fragrant. I'm just using 1 tablespoon over here. Don't burn them. Make sure you just move them around. If you prefer a little bit more peppery taste, you can always add more if you want to. Once you can start to smell the fragrance of it, add in 40 grams of butter. Normally I would like to add in a little bit of cooking oil also because otherwise the butter will burn very easily. Add in 1 medium-sized red onion sliced. Soften them up. Smells really good. Once the onion has softened, we'll add in 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and we also add in some water, half a cup of water, because we want a little bit of sauce with the beef, so it goes really well with steamed rice. We are frying this over medium heat, so we wait for the water to come to a boil. This will be pretty fast. So once it's boiling, add in a little bit of salt. I'm adding in half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, just to balance up the taste. Next, we'll add in the beef. Mix that up well. Add in spring onions. You can use as much or as little spring onion as you want to. I'm using approximately 4 stalks. If you want the color to be darker, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Smells really fantastic. I really can't wait to taste this. This is almost done. We just need to add a little bit of cornstarch solution. I just want to thicken it a little bit and let the sauce actually coat onto the beef. Just a little bit will be fine. Right. You can see how beautiful the beef looks. Finally, one last touch. 2 tablespoons of Chinese Shaoxingjiu or Chinese cooking wine. By the side, just splash it down. And we are ready to serve this. Look at how beautiful this is. We have finished cooking the black pepper beef, so let's have a taste right now. Wow. You have to try cooking this dish. Really fantastic. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our black pepper beef. I hope you like our video. do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.